Hey guys, I'm back and I'm here with a new video. If you guys are new, welcome. My name is Sasha. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys December's Boxy Charm. So if you guys are interested in seeing what's in this black little box, just keep on watching. Come on! So this month's Boxy Charm theme is 'Tis the Season. It's like the holiday vacation theme. It kind of has like a tropical feel with the like Santa Claus hat on the flamingo. I personally, when I first looked at it, I didn't really notice the "tis the" in the back, so I was like, season, what the hell does that mean? So I was like, a flamingo, this is tropical, why didn't they come out with this in the summer? But then when I closely paid attention, it says "tis the season" and it has a little Santa hat on. I guess people take like beach vacations during the holidays sometimes, so I guess that's the thing they were going for. I got 5 things total in my box this month, so let's just go over them. All the prices I'm going to state. I'm not going to list them right here like I usually do, just because that's going to take me too much time in editing. So the first thing I got, which I did like, and probably one of two things that I actually liked out of this whole box, was the Tarte glitter lip paint. I'm actually wearing it right now. In the picture of this thumbnail, I'm not going to be wearing it, so I don't want you guys to get confused. I actually put the lip liner and the lip gloss on just so I can show you guys how it looks. The next thing, and then that does retail for $20. It is super cute. I'm already trying to get out of here to the next thing because I'm just not feeling this video. Courtney, this video is for you. I did it for her because she was bugging me at the Christmas party, the sweater Christmas party that she had, telling me that I'm slacking it. So I'm gonna go ahead and share this with you guys. It is super cute. It has like these flecks of glitter in it, and the packaging is like the standard Tarte packaging. I thought it was gonna be like an actual like matte, but it's not. It's just like a sheer champagne-y lip gloss with like some glitter in it. I wish you guys could see the glitter better. You can't even really see it that well in person. It's more so up close and in the tube. So I'm definitely going to use this. I like this. It's called Strike Gold. So this is one of two products that I actually like out of the whole entire box. So the next thing I got, which is the second thing that I like, and these are the only two things that I cared for in the entire box, was a Ography Timber lip pen. This is a lip pencil, so I wish this thing would focus right now. Lip pencil. So this reminds me a lot of like the NYX type of pencils, and that's the shade. Again, I'm wearing these two together right now, and I think that's really cute, and I definitely will use these two. This guy retails for $12, and it's by Ography. It's a vegan cruelty lip pencil, antioxidant rich infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. So that's great. I'm definitely excited to try this out, and I haven't even tried any products from them, so that's exciting. So the next thing I got, which I'm not even gonna lie, I rubbed it on like my hand. Like I took the top off and I poured some out a little bit and like rubbed it on my hand, and I was like, oh my god, this is gonna be a disaster. So one day when I was just like around the house, I went ahead and put some concealer on and then tapped it over the top. It was so ashy. I didn't even want to continue opening the rest of it and ruining it because I'm going to give it away to somebody. This is their Powder Room Translucent Powder, and this is just ridiculously too light, and this is the type of thing that frustrates me because not everybody is super light complected and can wear this type of translucent powder. I feel like things like this, they should either actually closely pay attention to the person's skin tone when you put that information in, or just opt out for products like this that are not universal for everybody. Like, I just think this was a waste of my time and money. Well, I can't say my money because I guess I do get what I wanted if I just picked up these two products on their own, but I don't think I would have like spent $21 on these two products on their own. So I'm kind of disappointed with this. Okay, y'all, so the next product I'm going to talk to you guys about, I am super upset that I even let this touch my face because it did damage. Like, I cannot believe. So this next product is going to be from Cosmetics. This is our Detox Activating Charcoal Mask. It's supposed to be detoxifying your pores and whatnot. It's $30 for this 1.2 ounce tube, and it's filled with freaking garbage because look what it did to my Actually, I'm gonna go ahead, you can see it right now because I have makeup, but I'm gonna go ahead and insert like a little clip of how it messed up my face, and it actually made my face like burn. Like, I don't know what is in here that made my face do that, but it literally burned. I've never used, you guys know I use a lot of face masks, and I've never had that happen to me. I will never try this again. It made me break out ridiculously. Like, I broke out right here. This burned. It was just insane, and I would never use this. I'm not even going to give this away to somebody. I'm just going to throw this in the garbage because I would not want that to happen to anyone else. And I would say that I have like, I hate to say that I have super sensitive skin because I don't. I use a lot of different products, and you guys know me, I hardly ever break out. So for that to do what it did in the time that it did it in, it was like I knew that's not for me, and I would not want to try to like put that on someone else either. Let me know down in the comment box below if you guys got this mask and you guys actually enjoyed it, because I'm curious as to how. So the next thing I got in this box I was pretty frustrated with because I was like, what the f do I want this for? First of all, second of all, I mean, it literally take me 100 hours to freaking straighten my hair with this. Like, I feel like if I had a number 2 clipper cut like back in the day, I'll show you a picture of, I used to have a little A-line back in the day, and in the back my grandma cut it like a number 2 because my grandma's a hairdresser too. So she cut my hair, and I mean, I would use something like this to straighten out the back of it, but right now, like, what would I use that for? Like my baby hairs, I guess? I don't know. Like, I don't know. I'm just not interested in this PYT straightener. It heats up, but I can't even tell how hot it gets, so that's kind of frustrating. Like, there's no like temperature dial. It's kind of just an on and off switch, and yeah, I mean, I don't know. And this is supposedly a retail value of $75. I honestly did not want this. I'm just kind of annoyed with this one's box. It's just, I'm not happy with it at all. I'm just not happy with it. So that Pretty Vulgar powder retails for $32. I forgot to mention the total retail value on this month's box is going to be right here. You guys, in my personal opinion, I didn't like this month's Boxy Charm. I'm definitely going to continue my subscription, and if you guys are interested in subscribing, because they usually do have like good boxes, and if they don't, at least you get your money's worth for the things that you do like within the box, so you can't really complain. But overall, this month's Boxy Charm is a big fat no-no for me. My best friend Courtney, she actually liked it, and I think that's because she got palette and a couple of other things that I didn't get. So she even said if she would have got what I got, she would have not been happy with this one's Boxy Charm. So I don't know, let me know what you guys got in your box, and if you guys enjoyed your box, or maybe I'm just being extra and I'm expecting too much for $21. So because I mean, at the end of the day, if I did like the Tarte, which I did, and I did like the Ography lip liner, I did get my money's worth, so I'm not going to complain, and that's the reason why I'm not super salty. And I did go ahead and make this video for you, because consistency is key, y'all. I love you guys. Don't forget to check out this look on Instagram. I am SashaFierce411. I'm having something super exciting coming out the day after Christmas, so I definitely want you guys to stay connected with me on Instagram. Again, I am SashaFierce411, and I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with somebody who might find it useful, and I'll see all of you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, make sure you check out some of my other videos. Also, follow me on Instagram. I am SashaFierce411. I am hosting a giveaway, so don't forget to enter that giveaway.